Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jessica, and in this video I'm going to do a glueless wig install on this wig. This one is from the My Look Me fashion wig store. It is 28 inches with a 4x4 closure. So if you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig without any glue, then definitely keep on watching. The only thing that I did to the wig was bleach the knots. And for the rest, I haven't done anything to it. Right now, I'm just going to make sure that my hair is flat under my wig cap to make sure that the install is flat as well. I'm going to show you guys the box that the hair came in. It came with some stuff. So they put in a package with wig caps. They also included an edge brush and a beauty blender, which I find pretty generous. After I bleached the knots, I also washed the hair and I let it sit in fixing balm. So I washed the hair with a shampoo, but then I let the wig sit in fixing balm. Where did I get the fixing balm from? Well, when I buy like hair dye, in the packages you have the developer, if that's what it's called, the hair dye, and also the fixing balm to put on the hair after the dyeing process to make sure that the hair doesn't dry out. And sometimes I buy multiple packets of like the same color and I don't use all the fixing balm, so I had some fixing balm lying around from previous hair dyes and I used that on the wig. I don't know, I just thought maybe it would make the hair a bit softer. So what I did was I put the fixing balm on the wig, and like the bag that the wig came in, I put the wig in the bag that it came in, and I just let that sit in the fixing balm for like about an hour. And the hair is very soft. It is very soft, it is very flowy. It doesn't shed a lot. I haven't experienced like any abnormal shedding or anything. So up until now, I'm very satisfied. What's great about this wig as well is that it comes with a band, and you can also take it out if you want to, and you can adjust it if you want to. I'm going to put it on my head so we can start plucking. First, I'm going to cut off this little back piece of lace. I really don't like an overplucked hairline, so what I like to do is I like to just kind of like have an idea of where the middle part is. I don't like start directly from the middle part to part hair to start plucking, and why I do that is because I feel like if you lose too much hair like right next to the middle part, it kind of like looks like the lace is balding. So what I like to do is I determine the middle part, and then I just go right next to that, leaving just a little bit of space, and from there on I start parting hair to now start plucking. After having done that, I comb back all the hairs and I'm slightly going to pluck in the front. Really not much, just a little bit. Next is tinting the lace. You can use foundation to do this, but I love this tinted lace mousse from Ebony, New York, and I use this big random brush that I found in the closet. So I'm going to take the wig off again. I'm also going to apply a little bit of that on the wig. You can see the line of the wig cap less. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a line straight down the middle. I'm going to cut that more inwards. I cut away more of that thicker piece so that it's not very visible. Next, I'm going to use this melting spray from Foisten Professional. I really prefer using shoestrings. And now for the cleanest, flattest middle part. I also saw on Instagram that like if you want a silky straight flat iron look, you should spray your hair with hairspray before flat ironing your hair, and I'm going to do that as well. So I got, this is really not a special hairspray, I just got the cheapest one I could find. I'm just going to go back in with the same mousse. Now it's time to take off our shoelace. I'm not gonna do edges because I'm not an edge girl, but if you want to do edges, go ahead. No one's stopping you. I'm going to stand up and show you guys the length. Don't mind my outfit though. So this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.